How many Pixar car characters have you seen with a rhino-esque tusk or horn, whatever you want to call it? Not a lot, as I thought. Yeah, that's what makes this Westfalanapus so, unique. And, of course, it's got, as well as, tusk at the front, there's also got, these bits, or whatever they are, on the top. I don't know what car part they're meant to represent. If they're even, a car part. I don't know. He's got a bit of will that be an underbite or an overbite? I actually have no idea. Hey, I need to do my research, don't I? He's got dirty. He's quite dirty and muddy and potentially even a little rust there as well. And he's also got some exhausts. At least I know for a fact that they're car parts. Or exhausts, of course. Looks like he's also got some tusks, or would they be tusks? I guess that would kind of be more of a tail, if anything. I'm not sure if you noticed, but there's don't know how you can see, but there's even a little bit of rust right here. Of course, made in Thailand. Well, it says 2022, but in reality, he only had one release. That being in 2023, as a single. And fun fact about him. Nearly forgot to mention, but his name, or I should say, its name and model, is a reference to a Volkswagen Westfalia camper, which is interesting, and I hope you find it interesting too. Have a great day, folks.